The Insta360 ONE X2. Whew. You would think with a name like that you would have some type of massive, crazy looking 360 camera, but really what you get is this. The Insta360 ONE X2. It fits into your pocket, it has amazing battery life, it's ready to go with just one press of a button. Talking more about the Insta360 ONE X2 right here in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds. Today we're talking about the Insta360 ONE X2 360 camera. This thing is ready to shoot right out of the box. It's loaded with features. It's a lot of fun to use. And well, I've been enjoying shooting with the ONE X2 for the past few weeks. And overall, I've been super impressed with the ONE X2. Let's talk about some of the features and kind of dive into what I've experienced so far while shooting with this 360 camera. All right, so first off, looking at the form and function here, you've got the camera on the front, the camera on the back, and then you've got this little window right there that's going to show you basically what you're filming. What's cool about this is you can kind of like use this to kind of swipe around, see the entire 360-degree image right there on the screen itself. The cool thing about 360 cameras is basically it films everything. You don't need to point this like at a certain direction. I can hold it and I can bounce it around and move it, and the footage is going to be stable, it's going to be high quality, it's going to be crisp, and it's going to film everything. I really do love the form and function of the ONE X2. It is very simple to use. I like the fact that you can basically put this into your pocket, you can pull it out, you can press the record button, and it'll automatically start recording basically right away without having to do anything else. You've got the easy access battery that'll pop in and out there if you want to use other batteries. The thing about this is, honestly guys, I've used this, I feel like, for weeks now, and I've never gotten to the point where I was like, oh my gosh, the battery's going to die. I've used this for probably 6, 7, 8 hours in a day, and at no point have I been like, wow, you know, I need to make sure I go home and charge this. And one thing that I've noticed as well with the ONE X2 is that it's rugged. It almost has like this, I would say, like diamond pattern, hard shell around it that's almost like a rubber, but it feels really solid when you're holding it. I've dropped it a few times. It's got a few nicks in it, dropped it on the concrete. The one thing that you do want to be careful with, obviously, is the lenses. The lens itself, if it gets scratched or damaged, it will affect the image quality. There's also different settings with the ONE X2. You can film in 360 degree. You can also film in just a standard 150 degree, like a super wide angle, which will not be a 360 degree image, but it'll still give you a super wide image, almost like filming, you know, with your phone or a normal camera. It's not going to be 360 degrees. You've also got features with the photos and video. You can go in there and change different settings. After using the ONE X2, I'm really impressed with a couple things. The actual button on the back is really simple. You just click it. It'll be ready to roll. Whatever setting that you had it in last, it'll start recording. I've also found that the touch screen is really nice. I don't have to worry about it changing settings and things like that when I'm recording with it, when it gets water on it. I've been doing a lot of water-based things. Obviously, with the 360 camera, you want to make sure that the lens is clean. Any water drops will kind of make it a little weird. The Insta360 app, you can download it on your Mac, you can download it on your PC. It's really simple. You're going to import the footage. There's different settings that you can go and you can actually do auto tracking and things like that. I'll make a video soon kind of talking about the actual workflow, but overall, I've been really impressed with the workflow. The quality looks amazing. What do I think about the ONE X2? It's rugged. It's easy to use. Right out of the box, you can literally power this thing on, you can press record, and you can start filming amazing 360 degree images. You can go out and capture your vacation. You can capture whatever crazy stunt that you're doing that day. Summertime is coming, and it's never been easier to film 360 degree footage. Go back, you can edit it, get it ready for Instagram, get it ready for social media, and all of that. Really impressed with the ONE X2. I've used all of the 360 degree cameras on the market, and I do really enjoy the form and function. I think there's something nice about the way that Insta360 has made this. So you can basically, put it in your pocket, you can pull it out, and you can start filming like that. You can put it on a pole. The one thing that's nice, like I said, is you don't need to point this in a certain direction. If you're walking down the beach, you've got this on a pole, you can just put it out there in front of you on the pole. It'll actually stitch the pole out of the image so it looks like you have some type of personal drone or personal cameraman following you around filming. The battery life has been amazing. The image quality has been amazing. It's been simple and easy to use. I can't really find anything to complain about when it comes to the One X2. I think Insta360 has built exactly what people need. The consumer market looking to get into the 360-degree images. You can film basically everything that's going on, and then later on in the editing suite, you can kind of figure out like what you really want to show on Instagram or show whatever video you're making or how you're delivering that video. You have a lot of flexibility when it comes to the editing process. And overall, I've been really impressed with the One X2. I'll make some more videos really soon talking more about kind of some more details on the settings, the editing, and all that fun stuff. But I want to put this video out for you guys, give you an idea of what I'm looking at with the One X2 and what I think about the Insta360 One X2. If you want to learn more, check out dronenerds.com. We've got them in stock, ready to go today. You can drop this baby on a drone, put it on a pole, put it in your pocket, however you want to film. Check it out, the Insta360 ONE X2.